Hi YouTube, I'm back with another video, and today I got the ArmorAll 2-in-1 foam cannon. I got this for Black Friday, and we're gonna test it out on this Ford. We're gonna see, is this 2-in-1 foam cannon is really worth the money. It got pressure washer connect, and it comes with the garden hose connect, and it's supposed to be really good. So it go through all the how to adjust it and everything. Let's do the unboxing real quick. Oh, it's humongous. Look how big that thing is. Got a big mouth on it. Got the adjuster. Got the little knob on the side right here. Pressure washer hose. Okay. This is the garden hose with the quick connect. So I got my garden hose. Let's get started. Fill it up with some soap, and we'll start doing it. All right guys, we're gonna see how the garden hose and see how this works first. Oh, it's pretty good. So next, I'm gonna connect that to it with the quick easy connect and start soaping up the truck. All right, move on to the next part. All right guys, I got the container filled with soap and water, and we got to adjust it for not the pressure washer, but for the garden hose. So this little nozzle right here, you put it down for the garden hose, not the pressure wash. And then, up here, you want more soap or more water. You have more soap or more water, or less soap and more water with the knob. But here in this one, it's just from pressure washer to garden hose. So let's get started. All right, guys, I got it connected. Let's see what it's gonna do. Hold on, let me adjust it. So guys, you see how much soap it put on there? Got it clean. Got it all that soap all over it. So I give this thing a 10 out of 10. It's $58, but it's worth it. I did use other things and it don't work half as good as this, and you pay $40 for it. Just go ahead and pay the $60 and get the real good one. Built good. Quality parts. ArmorAll. Everything is quality. So thanks for watching the video, and look for more videos for reviews and other things I got going on. All right.